I think we've discussed a lot about the pandemic and the current status worldwide, so I won't repeat any of the statistics or anything that you've already known or familiar with within your regions. And I'll move to the solution that we started to develop immediately after the pandemic started. We decided to harness our technology and to develop a solution to help the world disinfecting viruses, bacteria, and germs, as well as provide continuous safety for public places and workers in every type of environment. So we took our current technology, which is a unique technology for lighting engines that is being used for other types of solutions that we're already working in other type of environments worldwide. And we have developed a solution that will provide a disinfecting mechanism using the light engine and a mixture of the UV wavelengths. And I will explain about it a little bit in the next few slides. So the fixture itself that we're bringing is actually for any type of business is like a regular fixture. You take off the existing one, you bring in this one, and you get not only high quality lighting with unparalleled uniformity, you get a brighter light, a healthier light with the disinfection and protection within the fixtures. So when you put it within an office, for example, you will have two operating modes. One when there's someone is occupying the room or the area, and this will be with the continuous UVA mixtures with the lighting, providing you continuous safety, continuous disinfecting in specific levels. And when someone is out of the room, we are using even a higher power and a different wavelength mix with UVC that will disinfect and kill the viruses totally. I will share with you the results in a few seconds that we already have. The fixture itself, as you can see from the slide here, meets all the industry standards, and the protection that we're bringing is something that we cannot see in other places in the market. You're all familiar with any UV light that you can buy on Amazon, but these are not professional solutions. They're not professional for lighting. You need anyway additional fixtures to provide additional safety and additional lighting in the room. We are doing it within the same fixture. Thinking about a high-bay solution, think about, for example, a warehouse. We've been talking with warehouses, airports, supermarkets, offices, malls. There are different type of heights, different type of areas, and different types of lighting and disinfection needs for each one of them. So the technology is now being integrated in different type of fixtures to support all the needs. And even in high bays like malls or warehouses, you get the same solution with precision optics, with a total space disinfection, and everything can be manually operated, automatically operated. Everything comes with sensors, so we know if there's someone within the room, because some of the functionality, like the UVC functionality, cannot operate when there is a person in the room. So we have Doppler sensors and presence sensors within the fixture on top of the manual operation. So we get notification whether there's someone in the room, and we will not operate this when there's someone in the room, unless it's the UVA functionality that can operate whenever someone in the room. Then this is something that is safe for human and not harmful. So in terms of the technology, you can see here in the slide that in terms of the spectrum and the distribution of spectrum, our lighting solution provides very high quality. And we're incorporating, as I said, the non-visible light functions, which are the UVC and the UVA. We are not incorporating UVB because it's not relevant for disinfecting viruses and bacteria in this case. The UVA is a mitigation protection that can work all the time. So we have illumination, safety, mode 1 when UVA is always working, and mode 2 when we are disinfecting when there's no one in the room. And you can get all the data, the technical data following my presentation I can share it with everyone as well. The type of mixtures that we're doing with the wavelength is actually helping us, and we tested it in a laboratory test that I will be able to share probably by the end of the week already. We will get the final test result. If you think about the coronavirus that is spread throughout the air, it's actually spread within fluid drops. So it's encapsulated within the drops. And due to the nature of what we are doing with the mixture of the wavelengths, we're able to penetrate the fluid drops, and we are able to kill the virus itself within the fluid drops. That is why we're using this specific wavelength combination. The mixture is what's helping us to do it in this way. So we are both attacking the drops and the viruses by using this combination. So in a way, if you think about a specific area, we are talking about an actual volumetric cleaning, okay? So if you think about a hall, a mall, a warehouse, we are close to 100% disinfecting the area if you're using our technology. These are the intermediate results that we already have. It's from the Bar-Ilan University and the Israeli Faculty of Medicine within the university. We did an intermediate test with them. As you can see in the result here, we did several tests, and you can see that after using our UVC solution, we got 0 viruses left. We killed them all. What you see on the right on the presentation is the actual plates from the laboratory. And what we already got as an observation from the UVA, that with a continuous UVA, you get a situation where we stop the infection of the viruses. You can see in the lowest part, the activation plate over here. This means that the viruses cannot infect anymore. And if we continue with the UVA even more for a few more hours, they will be dead. We will have the test results with the final formal result that we can share with everyone. We are already talking with large entities worldwide. We are talking with supermarkets, we're talking with warehouses, we're talking with airport authorities. These are different types of fixtures that we need to provide to everyone. And the initial orders that we are talking about will be provided within a month and a half to 2 months from now.